Hi everyone, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Today is Tablescape Tuesday and the theme is beach. So sit back, relax, and listen to the waves hit the shore and watch how this beachy tablescape is set up. The table is clean and the decision was made to just leave it bare. I placed the handmade chargers on the table that were made from a Dollar Tree hat, and I embellished a couple of them with raffia around the edges. On top of that, a beautiful clear charger rimmed in gold was placed on top of the raffia. And these are from Dollar Tree. Now, if you want to get them before they go up to $1.50 or $1.75, get them today. Next, a plain white plate from Dollar Tree was set on top of the chargers, wrapped in a green and gold tablecloth. I love the look of this because sometimes the beach looks blue and other times foam green. Seafoam green salad plate was set on top of the napkin for a beach-like feel. And on top of the salad plate was a seashell that adds to the watery look. Gold metal coasters pick up the gold in the napkin and were placed above. Green tinged glassware was placed on top of the coasters, and these are fabulous. Next, gold and white tipped silverware were placed beside the chargers and a dessert spoon at the top. A glass candlestick that is green tinged was put in the center of the table as a centerpiece. The centerpiece is a DIY for another collaboration and is filled with sand and a candle that was placed inside. Surrounding the candlesticks are a group of shells. And around the table are scattered starfish and sand dollars. Now, I just may set this up at the beach overlooking the lake. Wouldn't that be great? Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the guest this week is Pure Elegance by Kim. There are others that will be participating, so make sure you follow #Tablescape Tuesdays 2025. If you have liked what you have seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Tablescape Tuesdays is a great collaboration because it forces me to be creative. Crafting is satisfying, and I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of my subscribers. And remember, war will stop when we no longer praise it or give it any attention at all. Peace will come wherever it is sincerely invited. This is by Alice Walker. Okay, see you later, family. Bye-bye.